Hi, welcome, Jburns Creations. Today we're doing a trash to treasure tray sponsored by Junkernecker, and this woman makes great trash to treasure items. You need to check her out. And also by Melissa Makes It DIY. Melissa's pretty new to YouTube, so give her your support. Well, I got this roll of natural fiber sisal at Ace Hardware. And what I'm going to do is, if you saw my Christmas in July DIY, you saw the blocks I used. Well, the blocks came in this tray, and you can tell at one time there was a sliding top. So I'm trying to figure out how I can make it even and you won't notice the sliding top. So I'm just cutting off the end. And I decided if I put a piece in there, maybe that would help fill it out a little bit. So I start wrapping it with my sisal, and I use Gorilla Glue sticks all the time. I like the way they stick. They're pretty good. So I decided to start at the bottom, and when I came up to the top, then I could wing it and see how I wanted to do it. I just do small sections at a time so I can hold it down and it will be stuck nice and secure. As I flash forward, I get to the top. You can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around one last time around the outside. Coming to the end. Now I decide if I go along the top, and I can cover the top. And you can see where that ridge is inside. I didn't really want that showing. And if you noticed, I didn't paint the inside because I might want to use it for food, and I want it to be food safe. So I can always put down doilies or parchment paper or something, and I'll have to research a little bit to see if there's different paints that are food safe. So for right now, it just stays the natural color. Okay, now I'm going along the top some more. Okay, once I've got the top covered, I can go over this where I put the extra piece of rope, and it fits in very nicely. You can't even tell that it's different from the rest of it. I cut it. Now I am going to go inside to cover up that ridge. Once I cover that up, you really can't tell that that one end was lower. I'm able to cover up the ridge plus secure it to the top rope, so it really covers it up nicely. And yes, I was getting a lot of glue all over my fingers. I even had one of those good ones where you go to pull the glue off and it pulls your skin off. And ouch, that one hurt. I know, I should wear my finger protectors. But this actually was further down on my finger. Now the sisal twine has a lot of fuzzies hanging off of it, and I've seen people before take a flame and just get those fuzzies off temporarily. It's like 4 in the morning, so I don't want to be playing with the fuzzies tonight. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Temporarily, I just trimmed them. See how well this is fitting in? You wouldn't even be able to tell. There's that spot. Oh, see, that's the one I pulled and went, ow. And there's still just a little bit of a gap in there where you can see the wood. So I'm going around there again. This tray could be used for any time of year. I could actually put a ribbon around the outside edge. I could put anything in it, candles, decorations, food. Okay, one more spot, and there was on the outside, there was a little piece of wood showing in there. Oh yeah, that's where I pulled the glue off and it started to bleed, so I needed a Kleenex or a tissue or something. So I just grabbed any old one that I had sitting there, 'cause I was trying to bleed on it. I need to get a low temp glue gun. This one's very high temp. Ta-da! All done. And I will show you out of the whole row, that's how much I had left over. Yay! That timing was good, wasn't it? Now I'm putting on some handles on the side. I think I'll have to get some longer screws and screw through the wood out to hold them on better. But in the meantime, for looks, I know that was an exciting 15 minutes, wasn't it? But it actually took me quite a long time to do. Just speeding up the process. Okay, and here it is all finished. Waiting for a guest to come and have coffee. And I thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey of making the tray. And I hope you come visit again. Thanks so much. You could hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And I have 3 videos coming out Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week. Bye for now.